Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create architectural objects in 3ds Max. First, to create walls, we need a 2D drawing. We can use any external 2D drawing or we can create in 3D Max by using the shape command in the command panel. I click here on shape. Now to create a room, I will use the rectangle tool. I click on rectangle and in my top view, I will draw a rectangle. Now to adjust my room size, I click on the modify panel and drop down on the parameters. In the parameters, I adjust my room size and type the values I need for my room. Once I have adjusted my room size, now I can create my walls. To create my walls, I will go to the create tool and inside the create, we click on the geometry. Now we will drop down and look for AEC extended parameters. Inside the AEC extended, we have the wall command. I click on the wall command. Now we need to give the parameters for our wall. For example, I want to create a wall with 110 mm thickness or the width, and I want to create a 3-meter high wall. So I give my width and height according to my drawing. Now we will click on the keyboard entry to draw our wall and select pick spline command. This command helps me to create my walls along this rectangle. I click on spline and select the line I have created. Now you will notice that it has automatically created my 4 walls. We can orbit along our walls by using the Alt button and scroll button together. Once we have created our walls, now we can add doors to our drawing. I will now again click to my geometry tool and drop down. And now I will look for doors. I click on the doors button and select a door I want to draw. I pick pivot door. In my top view, I zoom in for the location for my door. Now the creation method for my door, what I'm using is width, depth, and height. I click on the location for my door, drag, and give the width first. I click and give the depth of my door and drag to give the height of my door. Now, once we have placed our door, we can scroll and check our door. We can also select our door and go to the modify panel and adjust the parameters of our door. So for example, if I want the height to be 2100 mm, I type the height of my door and adjust according to my drawing. We can always open and check our door. We can flip swing and hinge of our door as well. So you see how we can add architectural parameters in our drawing. Likewise, we can also add windows, stairs, and etc. to our drawing. I hope you like the video. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.